Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this wood round, and I am going to paint this with a white chalk paint or white acrylic paint. It's up to you. I ended up using chalk paint on this, and I'm just going to give it a couple of good coats so it's fully covered. Once I have that fully covered and it was dry, I'm going to take this stencil that I got at Dollar Tree, the Farmer's Market one. I'm going to set that in the center, and then I'm going to tape down the edges so it doesn't pop up when I stencil it on. And then I'm just going to use my pouncer and pounce some black paint on the stencil. And I'm just going to go really slow, going over the same spots as many times as I need until it is completely covered. And not putting too much paint on my pouncer. And I did this through the whole stencil until it was all fully covered. Once I had it all covered, I'm going to just peel up that stencil. Once I pulled it off, I'm going to check it over to make sure that I didn't have any bleeding. And if I do, I can touch that up with a small paintbrush and some more white paint. Next, I'm going to take this candlestick that I got from a thrift store, and I'm just going to give that a couple of coats of black paint. And just going all the way around, holding it at the top and bottom and kind of spinning it as I'm painting it. And then I let it dry in between coats. Once that was fully dry, I'm going to take some glue. I use some wood glue, and I also use some hot glue on this, and I'm just going to kind of put it in a circle and then add my hot glue right around all of that wood glue. Once I have the glue on there, I am going to lay my piece that we just stenciled down, and then I'm going to put the candle holder on and just kind of press it into place, making sure that it's adhered. And then for the final part of this, I thought the top was a little on the white side, so I'm going to go around the edges with some black paint. And it was kind of beveled on the edge, so I filled that beveled edge in with some black paint. I just went all the way around, kind of spinning as I went. And then I took a brush afterwards and touched it up in places that needed it. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. I absolutely love it. And I love the colors of black and white and the contrast that they have with each other. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.